night. I learned tonight that I trade it all for something real, something that's wrong, something that I can feel. Flaws and all. Now here's the deal. I don't want nothing less than something real, something real. I used to get so caught up finding all the answers. Always like to play it smart, never taking chances. Had to see for myself to believe in magic. Now I know inside my heart I already had it all. This perfect life is an unperfect puzzle sometimes.